Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sasha Talia. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to be doing I guess a mini kind of home decor haul. I've been trying to update a few things in my home and stuff, so trying to make it feel more homey and just like more relaxing. So I've been finding some awesome decor pieces at Home Goods, Tjmaxx, Ross, a lot of stuff. I will link my Tjmaxx and other home haul above here, and that way if you guys are interested to see what I got at the other stores a few weeks ago and stuff, that'll be up there for you guys. But if you guys want to see what I got at these lovely stores that I absolutely love, then keep on watching. Okay, so I've been on the hunt for some vases and stuff, you guys. I actually have my planner. I have a planner, and what I did was I wrote down a list. I have a list of things that I want to kind of buy for this year and stuff. So I've been just going down, marking everything off that, you know, I'm trying to get to just decorate my home pretty much, and kind of just get rid of the old stuff, because I've had like the little vases that I had before in this room. I might put them somewhere else in another room, stuff like that. I'm just tired of it pretty much. So let's get started. So what I have here is this beautiful white cushion pillow right here with this beautiful detailing around the whole pillow. Now, I have actually been on the hunt for this type of pillow with this type of I don't even know what you call this, just like twine. Yeah, I think it's twine. So I went to Home Goods, and you guys, do you see this red ticket right here? It says $8. So I got this lovely soft pillow for my couch for $8, and I am totally obsessed with it. The only downfall is that they only had one, and usually when you buy pillows, usually you could buy like, you know, a set of two and stuff. And I was like on the hunt at Home Goods to find the other pillow and stuff, especially if it was $8, but they didn't have it, so that sucked. But I still got it anyways, because I mean, $8, like what? So I got that, and it's really looking nice downstairs with everything. I have all my throw blankets and stuff, and so yeah, so I ended up getting that one. I found another pillow. It was almost like a greenish color with these beige like nude balls all around it, but that was on sale for $15, which isn't too bad. And I was like checking the balls and stuff, and literally as soon as I went like this, like it just popped right off. So I was like, crap. So I put it back and stuff. But so yeah, still on the hunt, because sometimes if you keep going back, sometimes they'll bring more back and stuff, but I don't know if they'll still be on sale or not. So that's the only thing. And then the other decor pieces is what you see behind me, and this is how I'll put this down. This is how I have my setup on my side of the bed. Literally all of this, all of that was from Tjmaxx, Home Goods, and Ross. So gotta love that. I'm so tired of this lamp. I can't wait to get a new lamp, you guys. It's driving me nuts. Like, I want either a black base or like a neutral tone with like a beige shade. But anyways, let me just reach back here. So I found this beautiful tray. They like kind of like stained it like with white, so it's kind of like a beigey white, and I just put my jewelry pieces on top of here, because I was looking for something to put my jewelry and stuff on top of, because this is my like almost everyday jewelry. Like, I like to pick and choose between like these, because they're like all my favorites. So I got that one at Ross, and that was only $11. So they had a lot of trays, like even bigger ones for like $12. So you could always put that downstairs and like put your keys or just certain things on top of it. And then and then I have this beautiful dupe vase. I've seen this on Pottery Barn and a whole bunch of like high-end websites and people posting them and stuff for like $50 or whatever. You guys, I got this for 14 bucks. So I just love it. It's just unique. It's different. It brings like, I don't want to, maybe texture or just like dimensions to the room and stuff. And I added some bunny tails to it. So it's just something super minimal, how do you say it? Something super minimal. Wow, I couldn't say that. But I just think it's really cute. Okay, next piece is from Home Goods. You guys, you should have seen my face when I first seen it. It was up front. Like once you walk in that table, they had a few of these there. And what's cool about it, it's an LED light, so you can turn it right on, and look how cool. And it just brings like a different vibe to the room at night and stuff. Very like cozy. And the good thing, I mean, it just takes 2 AA batteries, and it has like, I think this is like maybe wheat or some type of pampas in it. And I just love that aesthetic of it. Plus, the crazy thing with this is it says this is actually real wax. So with that being said, if you buy one of these, don't put it in an area where the sun is just going to be beaming on it or anything like that. Because I had it in the car and I went to a few other stores after I bought it, and literally the top part started like being all bendy and stuff. So thankfully it didn't like melt or anything, but you can just tell that the texture, like it's actual wax. So just be careful with it where you place it and stuff, but it's very cute in the background. And then I also have the same pieces. So funny thing is, I only bought one of each of the vase and then the LED candle. And when I set it up, I was like, oh man, I should have bought the same stuff for my husband's side of the bed and stuff. Because originally, like, these pieces weren't supposed to go in my room at all. They were supposed to go downstairs in the living room and stuff. I was gonna decorate down there. So, so yeah, that didn't happen. It ended up being on my side of the bed, like all of it. So, I'll show you guys his side. The only thing I didn't get was a tray, because we went to Ross and all they had was a different color, like a more natural tone. And so we decided not to get it and stuff. But also I forgot to mention this LED candle, wax candle or whatever, was $10. So not too bad. They also had a smaller cylinder one, same size and stuff, is just smaller. That was $8, so not too bad, but I just ended up getting the bigger ones because I really like the size of it and stuff. On hubby's side, I might add an actual like candle and stuff, just to balance it out over there. Also, something just random from Burlington. Y'all, I just love shopping at these stores because you find either high-end stuff for cheap and everything, and I'm all about a sale, a deal, whatever. So I found this beautiful water bottle that I am obsessed with. If you guys know, these are my tones right here, and it has this like amber color container, and it's from American Eagle. I didn't even know American Eagle sold like water bottles or anything like that, and I got this for $5. So super inexpensive. And this one is a 32 ounce. This one here is a 32 ounce water bottle. Okay, so I will bring you around and show you each side of everything being like the candles on and stuff. It's just such a vibe, you guys. I feel like it's nothing like, to me, like decorating your own home and just making it cozy to your liking and stuff. Okay, so this is my side of my husband's bed, and like I said before, I plan on adding a candle, I think, to it. I'll probably show you in this clip right here, made with a candle, the actual like real candle. And then just my side of the bed. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this type of video, please let me know in the comments down below, and be sure to like this video as well. You guys, I just love shopping, so just give it a big thumbs up if you enjoyed today's video and stuff. I really like making these types of videos to show you guys like what you can find where you don't have to actually buy high-end items and stuff, where you can just find something that is inexpensive and make it look expensive, I guess I should say. So yeah, this is like kind of what I've been really into and stuff, and I have a few more things to update in this home and stuff to make it feel more cozy to my liking and just update everything. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed my channel today, be sure to subscribe before you leave, become part of the family and stuff, and I will be seeing you guys with more videos. Bye guys.